Alright, you finished your first coding challenge. Congratulations. Let's do a walkthrough. So first, you created your HTML tag. And I want to note real quick that best practice is to close your tag right after you create it. Let me tell you, that will eliminate a lot of problems down the road when you forget to close your tag and then you can't find where your error is and you have to sift through thousands of lines of code just to find the one missing tag. So save yourself a headache, close your tag right after you open it. So then you created your head tag, then you created your body tag. Now the first step was to create a title that says My Dream Cars. So My Dream Cars. Good. Now we go to the body tag. The next step is to create an H1 that says Cars I Will Own Someday. Cool. So now we're going to list those cars by first giving it an H2, My Cars. So now we're going to make an ordered list of the cars that I want. So the first car that I want is a Ferrari. Second car is, let's be environmental here. Let's have a Prius. And then for our third car, the Batmobile. Batmobile, na Batman. Hey, you know you wish for it too. So here's my first choice, second choice, third choice. I mean, why not all of them, right? So now the next step is to create the add-ons that I want for my cars. So let's say car add-ons. And this is an unordered list. So one add-on that I want is nitrous oxide. You know, that boost stuff that makes you go super fast, like they have in Fast and Furious? Oh yeah. Now, I need a remote start so I can warm my car up when it's cold outside. And then for the last one, I want a seat ejector with built-in jetpack. Because why not? So there you go. Your first coding challenge is done. I'm going to post this pin in the download section so you can go to it, mess around with the code if you want, or save it. So good job. You now understand what HTML is and the structure it uses. You also understand how to use headings in both ordered and unordered lists to structure your web page to make your content easy for your users to skim and find what they're looking for. You've really come a long way in a very short time. In the next video, you're going to learn how to use inline tags to bring your paragraphs to life.